Uploading 50 YouTube Shorts manually is a complete waste of your life. You drag the file, you copy the title, you paste the tags. You click next 5 times, you schedule it. Then you do it 49 more times. That is human behavior. It is highly inefficient. Today we are fixing that. I am going to show you how to force AI to write a Python script that uploads your entire content calendar automatically while you take a nap. Instead of clicking buttons like a caveman, we put all our video data into one simple Excel sheet. One click, and the script reads the sheet, grabs the videos, uploads the thumbnails, and schedules them on YouTube. Zero human interaction required. You can find the free download link in the description box. It contains the PDF master prompt and the Excel metadata template. Even if you have never written a line of code in your life, I will teach you how to run this script for free using Google Colab. I'm also giving away my secret 5 coding master prompt to help you start for free on Gumroad. Stop trading your time for money. Are you ready? Let us get started. You can find the tutorial in the description, and yes, it is totally free, of course. If you want to thank me, just click the subscribe button and like this video. Leave any comment if you run into any question. Let's start with crucial setting. Before we boss the AI around, we need to get the keys to the YouTube server. Go to the Google Cloud Console and create a new project, or select your existing project. On Google Cloud Console, open the side menu, click on the API in Service, then search for YouTube Data API v3, and click the Enable button to enable it. Next, set up the auth client ID, click Credentials on the side menu, and click Create Credentials. Must select Desktop App. Click Create. You will see your client secret. Must download and save it in Credentials folder. Next, on the auth consent screen, check the audience from the side menu. Make sure your publishing status is testing, and your user type is external. And here is the trap most humans fall into. You must add your YouTube account email under the test user section. If you skip this, Google will block your script from accessing your channel. Add your email. Save it. You probably will see this warning window. Just skip it and download your client secret JSON file. Put that in your Google Drive in the Credentials folder. You probably will only see the download link once. In case you don't know where to add your test user, download the PDF tutorial. There is a screenshot for you. Now for the magic. We do not write code. We write instructions. Here is how I structured the master prompt to guarantee a working trio. Part 1 is the objective. You must tell the AI exactly who it is. I told Gemini it is a senior Python developer building a YouTube batch uploader for Google Colab. Setting the persona prevents the AI from writing beginner trash. Part 2 is the environment structure. You cannot just ask for a script. You have to map your Google Drive. I explicitly told the AI that my base directory is in my drive, with specific subfolders for upload, credentials, and uploaded archives. Part 3 is data mapping. This is crucial. I told the AI to read an Excel file. I named every single column it needs to look for. Video file name, title, description, text, category, and publish date. If you do not specify the columns, the AI will guess, and it will crash. Part 4 is execution logic. I demanded an auth check process and saved token.pickle in the specific channel folder. Why? It's a crucial step for Google authentication, and this step ensures isolated channel management. In my master prompt, I ask AI to provide all necessary tutorial for all the extra access you need to know besides the script. So with this prompt, you will get everything you need. Once you paste the prompt into Gemini, it spits out the perfect Python code with detailed tutorial. Check it and make sure you have done all the necessary steps for set up the YouTube API. Then, you paste the script into Google Colab and save in your folder. If you follow my prompt or use my script, then you need to create your folder structure as mine. You have to create a folder named Upload. It should be next to your script file. And create channel folders in the Upload folder. In the channel folder, create folders for your content topics. And inside the content folder, put all your videos in the Ready to Upload folder. And create your metadata Excel in the content folder. You can simply ask AI to create script as your folder structure in your Google Drive. Or just copy my structure when you download the free master prompt. Go grab it instantly on Gumroad for $0. Just hit the download link down below and bypass any waiting time. Now let's prepare your metadata Excel file. Prepare your metadata Excel file. There will be an Excel template for this script. You can download it and create your metadata or just upload it and ask AI create your metadata for your video. I already have my metadata AI agent, so I do this automatically. If you're interested in this agent, it's multilingual and can select output language. You can find it in my Gumroad page. Or subscribe my channel. I will release metadata AI agent tutorial soon. Then, run the script. There will be 2 necessary steps you need to go through. Step 1. Mount drive. You'll see these 2 lines drive.mount at the start of the code. Run it. Google will pop up a window asking if you allow access. You must click allow. This is like plugging your USB drive into this quad computer, so it can actually read the Excel and images you just uploaded. Once you allow Google Colab to read your drive, this script will find your upload folder and ask which channel folder you want to access, in which content you want to upload. Select your option and check the videos right then. When my script will ask your time zone, choose your time zone or type it manually. The script will automatically convert your scheduled time into UTC as the YouTube API standard time zone. Step 2. Get YouTube auth token. When the log under the script shows an URL, copy and paste it in your browser. It will ask you to log in your YouTube account, which is that test user account we set up earlier. Well, if you missed the step, go back to watch it or find the tutorial in my PDF. Set up your test user and go through this step to allow YouTube API access your YouTube account. When you see this localhost 8080 page, you almost get success. Just copy this URL and paste into the import field. The script will download your token automatically. Then you can now access your YouTube channel now. Look at that progress bar. That is the sound of me not working. The script reads route 1, converts your local time to UTC, sets the video to private, schedules the publish date, and uploads the thumbnail. Then it updates your Excel file to say uploaded and moves the file to an archive folder. So, check your YouTube Studio to see the results. Almost the necessary field can be filled automatically. Just the related video you have to add it manually. So, it's just that easy to upload your YouTube video automatically without any cost. I know those technical details might be a bit dizzying for a first-timer. So, I have compiled the original prompt, the Excel templates, and the detailed Colab manual into a free PDF starter kit. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. The Gumroad link is right down there. All you have to do is click the option that says free version. That gets you the full detailed tutorial and my secret master prompt. And yes, it is totally free, of course. If you want to thank me, you could buy me a coffee. Wait, I don't drink coffee. Buy me cat treats, the fishy ones. I would be very grateful. Well, to get the free master prompt on Gumroad, just click the $0 option in the description. No waiting, instant access. And if you want my fully functional auto-uploader script without coding, the Pro version is now $99. We also have a limited 1+1 bundle deal for just $149. This bundle gets you both the short metadata AI agents and bulk uploader together. Grab this ultimate bundle before the special discount ends and join my Discord group. Get the script earlier and join my Discord group. I will teach you how to run the script personally. And also, I am a professional developer. If you want to build your own customized AI agent or learn vibe coding, you can find me on Fiverr or Upwork. If you run into any issues with the code, or if there is a specific automation tutorial you want to see me build next, drop a comment below. I read every single one, mostly to check if anyone is offering me salmon, but I read them. Next time, I am going to show you how to automatically generate metadata and thumbnail for your videos with one click using a Python script on Colab. And you definitely want to smash that subscribe button right now. Why? Because it's not just one step. You haven't known AI agent's power. I have a lot more passive income automation content coming your way. So, subscribe, ring the bell, and let the robots do the work for you. Now, go start the script. I have a nap to take. Bye.